Binti's here. Hi guys. And I just finished filming the video. What did you get me? What are you doing?
Wakanda forever.
She got me cake, guys. She got me birthday cake. Even I didn't ask her to. Thank you. Oh, that's so pretty. You're being racist.
It's a black forest cake.
By the way, for those new to my channel, I'm Esther. Hi. And I just finished filming, and Binti, in the middle of filming, she literally just popped over. You looking like Simbi. You looking like a Nigerian local girl. Meanwhile, she's not even Nigerian. She's Sierra Leonean.
It's true.
And Elizabeth is over there. Oh, I just noticed you also have your curly wig on.
Yeah, we're curly. Wait, what's
curling?
Diana, right?
This is Diana.
Diana Ross.
Okay, yeah, Diana Ross is a legend, so Diana Ross it is.
So guys, let's talk about Esther. First of all,
that's not how I talk. She literally just said, let's talk like Esther. That's not how I talk.
it's true.
Maybe it is.
Yeah.
I tried this fabric yesterday as a background. Let me show you and tell me what you think. Sit down, sit down. Be humble. I will turn it on.
Do you like it?
Now, what do you think? It's so shouty.
It looks photoshopped.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know, but I like that it focuses on my face though. I mean, that's Binti's face, but I don't know. All right, are we gonna have cake then, or are we gonna keep it in the fridge like Nigerian woman?
Let's wait.
Wait for what? I haven't had breakfast. I've only had... Binti, were you sitting on the arm of my chair?
I haven't had breakfast even.
Who is your magabon?
Let's do the noodles challenge first. What did you get? I don't know. Hola. Hi.
When did you guys plan to come?
Yesterday.
Hi. Look at this skinny figure.
Let me have it.
Girl, bye. What are you doing? Oh!
That's the entire song.
Oh god. Oh. It's gonna drop.
It's dropping!
Yes, I know.
It's not dropping. Oh! I look like a lion, don't I? Oh!
Oh, it's finished.
It is.
Eh.
Hey! Oh yeah! Wait, no. Okay, so we're gonna be cooking this. This is a what is this? What is this? Ramen noodle. So we're gonna be having we're gonna be having ramen noodles. Queen of what? Okay. All right now. Hug me, the same color as me. Binti, why do you look worried?
Your face was like that. You always make it.
We're eating. We're gonna do the.
So we just mix it?
Yeah, you just cut it. Oh, you could cut it. Did you cut it?
Straight. Look at this.
So.
Are you guys ready?
It smells.
It smells spicy.
We're gonna need to turn on the air
Describe the smell for us,
Just
Binti.
turn it off. Sorry?
Describe the smell for us. How does it smell?
Like a lot of spice that's gonna burn me.
Like
It smells like a volcano.
That's gonna burn her, she says.
Okay.
You don't want to taste it now?
I'm busy filming, okay?
You're busy filming. Who is no color ID?
This is a very
Whose phone is
serious.
that? Your phone.
No, it's mine actually.
Do you want to pick it up?
Hello?
Binti, we're filming.
Speaking your language.
Hello? That's I'm not going. She didn't have me funny call. Now Binti. No, I'm not good.
Oh my god, the spices smell so strong.
Mine is a lot.
That's
Yours
cheating.
is less. All right, ready? So the challenge, we can't drink water. We have to whistle the weather. Whoever, I'm always speaking. Whoever finishes it first, whoever doesn't take off their wig first as well, because I'm going to take my wig off.
Betty, that top though. No. Come off.
You have a bar now. Brooke, bar now. No, she's on her knees.
No snatching.
Okay, and keyword anyone wants to give up is
pineapple.
Yes. Okay, I'll say go. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Set.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh Jesus. It's gonna be a piece of cake. It's fine.
I think the bigger bites, the better. So then I can finish it quickly. How you guys handle it? Really? The first bite already?
I feel it.
Okay, I might have died then.
But
I might have died.
we didn't even say the one we're doing. This is the 2 times one.
What's the package so I can show you?
It's in the bath kitchen. And we're Nigerians and Sierra Leoneans, we hate spice stuff, but
I'm sorry, South Sudan cannot be in this. We lack our greens and our meat.
South Sudan is scared of spice.
I will beat you all now. We lack our greens and our meat. That
This
is
is
it.
actually spicy. Okay, now I feel this one. This one is the. It's definitely more than the first one.
Please don't try to talk.
Binti, how you going?
I'm going.
You're going. Keyword.
No.
Okay.
I'm African.
Wakanda forever.
When will this guy hold? Never.
Wakanda forever. Your
It's almost finishing.
your lips are like orange, Binti. They don't even come. No, Mr.
This ramen noodles is hot.
My head is sweating.
Take the wig off. It's okay.
No,
What was that after?
I don't know.
Guys, it actually smells really nice. Like I'm actually getting hungry smelling
Do you
it.
wanna taste it?
Yeah, but you can't taste this.
Just take one. Oh, here, give me the camera.
No.
Take one.
No.
Are you okay?
Wow, them two are dying.
My nose. Gonna be a piece of cake. It's fine.
This is actually hot. The first one was not hot at all.
And I watched 30 minutes of Will Smith's motivational speaking today. Everything he said is making my head, but it's not helping. No pineapple. But
I'll do that one. Elizabeth, are you okay? You are suffering the most.
Mine is still so much.
You are not giving birth now.
Boy, it tastes so good.
Childbirth is more painful.
You haven't even given.
I know, I was gonna say. Is the wig coming up, Esther?
No. What did you say?
Is the wig coming up?
He wants to.
No,
I'm almost done. I'm almost done.
What's happening?
I'm dying at Elizabeth's reaction. I'm almost done.
Oh, this one's almost done. No way. Elizabeth, don't touch it with your hand.
Lick the plate, guys.
you're gonna go to a bathroom and
Lick the plate.
No, I need water.
Oh, my wig is coming off.
You need milk.
We need some milk.
Oh yeah, bring milk. Okay, I'm glad I did not do this. And the wig is off. Heavenly Father.
Oh, touched my cheek. It's painful. It's stinging.
It's in my eye. You didn't put anything in there.
I did. My hair went.
Elizabeth. Wow. I was laughing, but my throat also laughed.
Spice, but this is just wickedness.
I want noodles now, too.
Yeah, there's more. What are you doing? She doesn't, you don't know which dance to do anymore. When in doubt, just pose. Listen, like this is a Christian song. I am. Don't twist. She started to listen, and then she realized what she was doing. She's like, yeah. This is why I love you, because you love me.
I don't know how this sounds.
You love me.
Get out, yeah. I don't love you like this.
This is why I love you. Oh, we went to your lips. Betty, I I literally just sat down and she put her head there.
Well, yeah, it's comfortable.
This is why I love you.
Okay. Okay, now I know why you got love me.
Because you love me.
Yeah.
This is why I love you. Jesus.
Are you guys ready?
You just came in with your locomotion.
I thought I need tissues.
Don't disconnect it. I'm charging my phone. Are you okay?
It's shot, daddy, too.
Okay, have that spot. Are you gonna mix it?
No.
Put it all over so you can hit the good all over. With me, I get the money.
Ready? All over. That.
Oh wow, this is
Don't die, you drink water.
Hey, excuse me.
Oh.
If you see me screaming. Do you remember the neighbor in
Wow.
Are you okay?
There's no more milk. I'm lactose intolerant.
No, I was drinking almond milk, so it's lactose free.
There's no, you know.
There's another almond milk.
Going on. I did.
We got a thing going on. Let's play the other one. I love the edit.
I'll go home now.
And then
in the beginning.
oh no, this is someone's father.
It gets worse.
In the
Listen properly.
in
It is difficult to erase from my memory now.
Listen properly.
Literally, are you arranging Ouija
We
board?
don't have candles.
Those are candles.
No, it wasn't cake.
Do you want to die?
Happy birthday to you.
I did send them.
Esther.
This is all gonna get cut out. Why you only doing it for the vlog?
I'm still going.
Who is your boyfriend? Now that's what I would dance to.
It's Black Panther.
No, I want Dwayne Johnson. Big man.
Big mama.
Vin Diesel. Ah!
But guys, honestly, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, what did
We need to make a petition to Idris. Tell him
He's getting married.
his rightful wife
Leave him alone.
is here. Even with you.
What did you say?
I'm here, guys. I'm not happy about this at all.
Black Forest. I know what's in there. Black.
I look like the Black Forest right now.
Wherever you do.
Why am I-
I'm not.
So I just want to say, Esther,
It's actually really good.
I'm looking up here because like the skin is there. I should be on the camera.
What are you doing?
So I want to say, Esther, I just want to say I love you.
Oh.
Okay. 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 I am feeling myself as well. Look like the Black Forest. Anyways, I love you.
The Black Forest.
You're a hardworking woman. I love you. Okay.
It's dark chocolate.
You are what you eat, Takoy.
Your dark chocolate.
I couldn't do it.
I like it.
No, I don't do that.
You don't do what?
Oh!
You don't do what? Binti, we're glad that you took time today.
Oh, that's the best.
I really can't deal with us, honestly. Binti, yes, what would you like to say?
Hi, Esther. You missed the joke. Never mind.
It wasn't funny.
I'm still waiting for you all.
Happy birthday. You made 1,000. Wait, no, you made 5,000, which is awesome.
Woo!
Keep going. Keep doing your hard work. It'll pay off.
Woo, 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 woo. And
It will
now
pay off.
to the beloved sister of
It will.
the, Esther. You were there with her from the beginning.
Wait, I need to put my wig on.
Over here. Okay, I'll do it again, yeah?
Call.
Ready?
Oh, you forgot your wig?
Ready? Set.
It's actually really good.
Okay, now to Esther. Oh.
Elizabeth, what's with this?
Take 2, take 3, 1, 2.
In the beginning.
Now to
I can't say it
Elizabeth,
wrong.
the beloved sister of Esther. You were there with her from the beginning.
You kicked her out of the womb.
No, it was 4 years later.
you created room for you to come 4 days later. Anyways, what would you like to say to Esther?
Nothing.
Hey.
Okay, so happy birthday. This is probably not gonna make it online, but happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
You're a year older, so I can't wait to see you get married, have babies, like everyone have been saying. That would be really exciting.
Akoi 1, Akoi 2.
Where are you living, Binti?
You're after.
Yeah. That's it. Love you in many more years to come.
Woo! Now to the birthday girl. What would you like to say to Akoi?
I wouldn't taste it.
Hanifa, you couldn't be here today, but you are
Love
with
you.
us in spirit always.
Losing your eyes there.
I don't actually sound like you're dead. No. You are with us here today. We miss you. Scratch all of that. Oh my hair is so dry. I need to cut this. Guys, I just want to say I'm single. Oh, Hanifa, I love you. I'll see you next time.
Next week.
Yeah, literally next week. You guys are not coming.
When our life begins.
When your life begins.
Oh yeah, I'm still in school.
We'll see you in uni.
This girl can twerk.
So moist.
I said before I was rudely interrupted. Technically, you are still like 6 hours old. Technically.
Because I was born where?
An old man.
Why are you guys arguing? Huh?
This is your life. Keep calling me old.
I didn't call Dad, your wife called you old. I did not call you old. Even though technically you are, but I didn't call you old.
Alright, anyway, don't worry.
Yeah.